welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about one of the film recipe that I really like is Kodak Portra 400, and there are like a bunch of Kodak Portra 400 that you can actually customize it X100V, but today I usually choose this Kodak Portra 400 version 2 because I name it Kodak Portra in my X100V, so to be honest I'm not sure which one is that. One of the things that I really like about this Kodak Portra is of course film look. I still have it in my country. I left my film camera. I'm not sure if I want to use it right now because it's a film camera itself, and film itself is really expensive. Instead I have this X100V which actually can give you this film look, some kind of like nostalgic kind of atmosphere that you can actually get from this digital camera. This is like a new generation, I would say. Why I love this film look is that when I used to photograph with the Nikon, you need to somehow like edit it later. You have to kind of capture photo with the raw photos, and then like you back in Lightroom and edit it, tweaks it and all the stuff. I mean, I like doing so, but to be honest, when you're doing that, it's you capture this edited photos right away from through camera. You did post editing, and not just like you just take picture and that's outcome, right? So I feel like this is not like natural outcome. But when I photograph with the X100V with this film recipe, I feel like this is already, I can even see that from the viewfinder. So it's like, okay, that's what I get, So it's something that I really like this because it's like, of course, first of all, you don't have to edit. Maybe this is like, I'm a lazy person, so maybe that's why I'm feeling nice. But also, you will see what you get. So yeah, this is something I really love. I know that this is digital camera, but like I feel like I'm photographing with a film camera, because like when you use a film camera and then you have a shot, and then like it doesn't matter what you will get, but at the end you will see what you actually photograph, right? Not just like editing later. This nostalgic outcome, it's all about like a printing. It's a printing, like for example, my grandparents used to print a bunch of photos that he took from the film camera or digital camera, but these days it doesn't exist anymore. And I feel like, if you have Nikon or Sony or Canon, it's better to like photograph with the raw photos. Everyone is kind of seeking extremely crystal clear like focus point and photo quality and like extremely sharp photos. I mean, I don't know. It's maybe I was of course like following that, but on the other hand I feel like isn't it too much, like too much hype to chase? There's so many like Instagram things, like there are lots of sharp, extremely crystal clear sharpness photos and reels and all this stuff, but like, is that what we really want like in a photography? I feel like this is it went crazy, to be honest. That's my opinion. If you have some opinions about it, just please let me know. So coming back to this Kodak Portra, I guess it's really versatile film recipe, I would say. I already mentioned this in the previous video. It's about Kodak Portra POV. If you missed this video, please check it out. What I meant by versatile is that no matter what kind of weather it is, it works, at least for me. So even if it's raining, even if it's sunny or overcasting day, if I'm not sure what to choose from the film recipe, definitely I would choose this Kodak Portra 400. This recipe is whether for landscape, or this is more portrait, or street photography, but it's more towards people as a subject. I would say this is both. But when I feel like it's gonna be really nice photos, I usually use this Kodak Portra for landscape. Maybe just because I like that. I like this aesthetic, I like this contrast, I like this color, I like this film recipe itself, that is really matched. I'm not sure because I'm kind of coming from landscape. Photographing people, it's still new things for me. So maybe that's why I feel that way. Maybe I have to kind of keep photographing people as a subject to see I'll feel more comfortable about it. You guys having this X100V, and if you can share with me some kind of your experience by using this Kodak Portra 400, please leave the comment down below. Yeah, so today that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would be really appreciated. So see you in the next one.